I'm waiting for the audience to see this because this is the first time I'm doing a role that's really different and that a thriller where you're going to keep guessing and guessing. So it depends on the situation. I'm very Sharif, but then when I have to be badmash, I can be very badmash. I think I really enjoyed Judgmental है क्या. I'm not being biased, but it really was one of my favorites. Theater में वो अलग मजा ही मिलता है. And with a suspense thriller, you want that surround sound, the dark room, just the screen, the audience. You want to hear the.
Hi, Amira. Welcome to East Tonight.
Hello, thank you for having me.
So first of all, let me start by saying this: the trailer is amazing. I mean, the 2 minutes for that, I was on the like, who is the murderer? यार पता चल जाए जल्दी से.
नहीं, you'll have to wait till the end of the movie to find that out. But I promise you, you will be shocked.
Right. So, Amira, the movie is getting a theatrical release. I think you are going to see yourself on the big screen after a gap of 2 years. So, how excited you are for that?
Actually, a gap of 1 year. Yeah, I had so many releases in 2019. It's just 2020. Yeah, and yeah, you're right. And then even OTT happened in January for me with Tandav. So yeah, it's good. Yeah, I feel like, touchwood work is happening and I'm just grateful and I can't wait. I'm waiting for the audience to see this because this is the first time I'm doing a role that's really different and that a thriller where, you're going to keep guessing and guessing. So I just really hope they enjoy it.
Right. So, Amira, there's a dialogue in the trailer. The trailer starts with that dialogue कि हर लोग में 2 शख्स होते हैं, एक बदमाश और एक शरीफ. So now tell me, does Amira also have that badmash side? Because I have always seen the Sharif side of Amira.
I think सबके अंदर एक बदमाश और एक शरीफ side होते हैं, at the end of the day. So it depends on the situation. I'm very Sharif, but then when I have to be badmash, I can be very badmash.
So, Amira, Koi Jaane Na is a suspense thriller, and sometimes it happens that when you're shooting for such a film, because I've seen the trailer, so I can see that there are scenes that would be very, emotionally difficult and even physically difficult. So, should I say that, Koi Jaane Na for you is one of the most difficult characters that you have played till date?
Definitely. You can definitely say that because it was mentally exhausting, physically exhausting. It's, when you're playing a thriller, and I think of myself as a very happy person and a very chill person, but here there's a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, a lot of being scared, and you can't go over the top with your acting as well. So that's also, there's a very fine line because then it'll become like, oh, you're overacting, yeah, oh, you're underacting. And the audience is very smart. They'll catch that in a second. So you have to be extremely balanced, and getting that balance now is very difficult. So yeah, it was definitely one of my toughest characters till date.
Right. We talk about suspense thrillers. Which is the suspense thriller in Bollywood? Of course, apart from Koi Jaane Na, that has been your favorite.
I think I really enjoyed Judgmental hai kya. I'm not being biased, but it really was one of my favorites. Apart from that, I would say it's not a suspense thriller, but I really liked Omkara, which was also sort of in that thriller zone because you never knew what Saif was up to or what was going to happen next. So I really feel that we don't make a lot of suspense thrillers in Bollywood, and I'm just glad to be part of the many few that we do. So I'm really excited to see how the audience takes to this one because it's quite a modern day, very different suspense thriller with a love story in the middle of it. So it is a very different, unique film.
So, did you shoot Koi Jaane Na during the whole pandemic?
No, we actually had just finished it, luckily, before the pandemic began. Just before lockdown, we shot our last part in February 2020. So it was just lucky for us, but we were ready with the film. We were looking at a May-June release then, but then all of this happened and we had a lot of offers from OTT as well. But I think Amin and all of us were just so hell-bent that this is a theatrical release. Because theater mein wo alag maza hi milta hai. And with a suspense thriller, you want that surround sound, the dark room, just the screen, the audience. You want to hear the all of that. So yeah, we really wanted a theatrical release.
He has been a great actor. We have seen him as an actor on the big screen. He's making his directorial debut with this movie.
Yeah.
he has of course selected you to play the female lead. Do you somewhere on the feel an added pressure to be a part of a film where the director is the debutant and he has selected you to portray that character?
Absolutely. I think with Amin also, he's got this amazing energy and he really puts his heart and soul into it. You know, all said and done, he is somebody who puts his heart into everything. So the energy he would bring on set, none of us wanted to let him down. We all wanted to like perform our best and do our best. And I think he's happy with us, which makes me happy. So, I mean, everything he asked for, we managed to deliver. And now it's just up to the audience.
You know, Amira, of course, the movie is coming to theaters. People have started going it. I think Ruhi has received a good response at the box office and stuff. So, but do you have a kind of a bit box office pressure or a box office nervousness, I would say, for Koi Jaane Na?
Not anymore, because with the way this COVID is spreading and the way the lockdowns are happening or not happening and being raised and the limitations, I mean, here, I don't think anybody is looking at box office figures per se. We are just looking at getting good reviews and allowing the audience to come and enjoy the film. Right now, I think creating this sort of box office thing is kind of unfair because even the playing field is at a very different level right now.
Right. So, Amira, what's happening next after Koi Jaane Na? Where do we see you?
So, you're going to see me in Dongri to Dubai, which is again going to release on Amazon. You're going to see me in a Tamil thriller called Bagheera, opposite Prabhu Deva sir. And I've just signed a very big OTT project, which I will announce next month.